Hey guys, just got some parts in for the Honda Monkey. I got a DHM 125 high compression piston kit, NK killer cam. It's got a little higher lift than the TB cam, good for higher RPM. And got this interesting air intake from a fella off the forums. Looks pretty big. So this is a start. And I got a standalone ECU in the garage. We're going to be tuning with that. We'll probably have to go with a little bit bigger injector. Let me make that. There you go. So I'm hoping this kit with the standalone and some tuning should make right around maybe 16 horsepower. Give or take, depending on the dyno and the tune. And then there's a guy in Louisiana that does head porting, JC. He said he would port a stock head and put a bigger valve in it, bigger exhaust valve, port match it to the Coso throttle body, 34 millimeters. And I'm thinking we might be able to get 18 horsepower. Probably not. Maybe I'm being a little too optimistic, but possibly 18 horsepower out of that setup. And, DHM sells these kits all the time. They're pretty affordable, cheaper than a big bore kit. And, with a 125, you still get the reliability. You don't really have to add much accessories to it to make it run good. But yeah, I'll get this installed here soon. I got finals this week and next week, so it probably won't be till the first week of May. And I'll let you guys know. See ya. Bye.